Hi folks, welcome to episode 4. In this episode, we'll be learning about how to install custom skills in OpenClaw. In this episode, we'll be learning about how to install custom skills in OpenClaw and then integrate it with OpenClaw and then have a final demo of what we have built so far. Here you can see I have a skill.md file. So basically this is the custom skill we'll be installing. So this is basically a skill which explains how to reply to a job posting or how to send a job posting to someone. So there are few steps to it. This skill basically defines those steps. I won't be going into details of the skill. I'll be putting it in the description of the video. You can probably check it there. So this is my skill.md file and this is the name of the particular skill we'll be installing. Now if I go to Telegram and type in /gog, that is Google Workspace skill, you can see the skill is present here. And if I enter the skill, you can see the Telegram bot will tell me what this skill does or what its requirements are. So slash followed by the skill name basically invokes that particular skill. So similarly, if I try to invoke my job description or my job skill, you can see no such skill is available. So now let's see the steps to install this particular skill. Okay, so now in order to install the skills, let's go inside the OpenClaw hidden folder inside the root directory. Inside that we'll go inside workspace and then if we do ls we'll be seeing skills folder. Let's go inside skills folder. Once we do ls, you can see we have our GOG skill present here. Now we'll add a new skill here by creating a new folder and naming the folder as a skill name. Now once we do that, we'll cd into that folder and then we'll create a new file called as skill.md. Make sure the skill is in capital letters. Now once that is done, we'll open the editor and copy paste the complete skill.md file. Now once we have pasted this file, we'll just exit the editor. Now once done, we'll just print the file in order to check if this is perfectly added or not. So now our skill.md file is ready. Now we'll go inside the OpenClaw hidden folder that we have. Inside that, what we'll do is we'll have an openclaw.json file, which is basically a config file for OpenClaw. Now inside that we'll add a skill section if we don't have it already. So currently we don't have any skills for section in this JSON file. So we'll add a skill section. Inside that we'll add entries. Inside the entries section we'll add a skill name. And we'll enable the skill by giving enabled equals to true. Now if you want to disable the skill, you can just set enable to false and that will disable this particular skill. Now once this is done, we'll then restart our gateway in order for this skill to reflect. Now once the gateway is restarted, we'll wait for a few seconds. After that, if we try giving in a skill name inside Telegram, you should be able to see that particular skill, that is job reply email. So now if I give that skill, it should basically answer me with what this skill expects from me. What are the inputs for this skill? If you get this as well, that means the skill is perfectly installed and you are ready for the next steps. Now in order to achieve what we wanted, we'll just add a resume inside the OpenClaw workspace. So how we do it is basically I have my resume inside the downloads folder. So what I'll do is I'll just copy my resume inside the workspace. So for that, what I'll do is I'll copy my current resume's path. I'll go inside OpenClaw's hidden folder. Inside that, I'll go inside workspace. I'll create a new folder named as resume. You can name this anything you wish to name this. Once that is done, I'll just copy the resume here. Now you can see my resume is present in the workspace. So now comes the moment of truth. We'll give this as an input to Telegram, and basically OpenClaw should reply to an email with a subject line, exciting opportunity for software engineering, and it should understand my resume, extract skills from it, and then reply. Along with that, it should use the freshly installed skill, that is job reply email, in order to reply. Now you can see this is the email that I've got on my email that I have to reply to with my resume, and I have to basically show interest in this particular job by replying with a resume. So now I'll give it this particular prompt and then I'll send. We'll wait for a few seconds till OpenClaw works its magic. Also, you can find this prompt in the video's description as well, so you can go through it and understand what the prompt says. So now I've got a reply from the bot, that is OpenClaw, saying that it has successfully replied to the email. And also it has attached the resume from the resume directory that we had. Here you can see that it has successfully replied to the earlier job posting with my resume. Along with that, it has understood the job posting at my resume and given a suitable reply. So this marks the end of our OpenClaw series. I hope you enjoyed learning with me, and I'll be posting more such videos and more such content related to technology in the future. So make sure to follow and subscribe to this channel.